Hello guys, in this series of videos we'll learn together how to make graphic 2D game using C language and library called SDL library, and especially we'll learn how to make this game. Before we go to our code, we need to download SDL library and add it to our project. To do this, we'll go to SDL website. As you can see in the home page of SDL, a brief introduction about SDL, and in the right side you can see a game that made it with this library. As you refresh the page you can see more games. To download this library you can go under the download section, SDL release, and download it. And if you want to learn more about this library you can go under the documentation section and the wiki, and you can learn about this library. You can go to index, under category API you can see all the function and the definition of all these functions. But for now, let's go and download SDL library. Go to SDL release, and as you can see here, there are many versions and archive for SDL. You can go and download appropriate version for you. I work with MiniGW. I go and download this version, the tar version. Go and extract this library anywhere you want and add it to your project. Go and create new project. We'll make a game from scratch and call it SDL project. Go to your extracted folder and you can choose 32 architecture or 64 architecture. I'll go with 64 and I'll copy the bin include and the leave folders and paste them to my project. At this point you can create C file and begin to code your project. As I mentioned before, we'll create shoot them game. I find this game in the SDL website. Under the documentation we select wiki and we'll go to tutorials. Next, SDL game tutorials. You can download the game itself from here. In the next video we will try to create the 2D shoot them game by beginning by opening the window and step by step until we will create our game. Thank you for watching.